Wow, I like this angle. Don't
It's
stop
cool.
it.
I'm not going. I was about to, but I'll do something. Oh, look
I
at that.
love
That's
that.
cool. Hello there.
Hi,
This is Alice,
and it's Kai.
and welcome to our channel. So today we're taking a look at is it HBCU marching band?
Yes.
That's right. Yep. And it's Jackson State in Mississippi. Someone did recommend this in the comments, so thank you for the suggestion. I don't know if this is the particular video you were suggesting, but it's one of them, and it seemed pretty good. So let's jump in and have a look.
Let's go.
It's our first look, isn't it? A HBCU marching band.
Yes.
It is.
And definitely first at Jackson State.
So we've seen the Aggie one, haven't we? And then we've seen Ohio State marching band.
So now, this is Jackson State.
Now we're Jackson State.
We're expanding, yeah.
I like the outfit.
Nice colours, yeah.
It looks good. I like the boot covers.
The what?
The shoe covers, the right finger and shoes.
Okay. Are they not white shoes?
No, I think it's covered over the top.
Okay.
You can obviously have shiny black shoes underneath, but
and Gregory Turner from New Orleans, Louisiana.
so these are the drum majors.
I like the way it's filmed as well.
Yeah.
They're more close up.
Well, I think it's filmed by an actual videographer.
Yes, obviously.
rather than someone in the stand up.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Yeah.
It's showtime as the sonic boom enters the field on our traditional Tucker run-on.
Yeah, this is good. The filming is very nice. Oh, the angle looks cool, doesn't it?
It's like you're following you.
Yeah. I wonder if it's drone. Oh no, you can see
No,
it.
he's there.
Yeah.
He's on his phone.
It looks like it, doesn't it? No way.
The band will now engulf you with sound and precision with their signature fanfare entitled Blowing. Memphis, Tennessee, and the Southern Heritage Classic. Let's get this party started with I Want Her by Keith Sweat.
I like that.
It's nice to actually see a bit more of drum majors because normally they're just right tiny and you don't see a lot of what's going on, you know? It's nice to see them up close.
Wow. A lot going on.
Jackson
There
State.
it is.
Yes.
ASU for Jackson State University. If you believe in JSU football and Coach Prime, make some noise. And now, formations and creations will appear before your very eyes while the boom gives TSU a lesson in drill pageantry.
That's crazy.
It's cool, isn't it?
That looks good.
Yeah.
Drill, sonic boom, drill!
Oh, okay, that's weird.
Wow, I like this angle. Don't
It's
stop
cool.
it.
I'm not. I was about to, but I'll do something. Oh, look
I
at that.
love
That's
that.
cool.
Show them why you are the best in the business.
Okay, I'm going to stop it now, just quickly. So, in comparison to say, I know with the Ohio State Marching Band, when we've watched them, they've been doing a lot of tributes to various different things. So obviously we haven't got a good grasp of their normal sound.
Their standard, yeah.
But looking at like the Aggie Band, because that's probably the only real comparison we have, the Aggie Band seems very traditional in the music style, very kind of regimented, if that makes sense. I don't know.
Maybe because of the military sort of influence.
Could well be, yeah. Whereas this seems a bit more, I don't know, a bit more kind of, you want to
Showy.
just bop along to it. Yeah, if that makes, I don't know how to really explain the difference, but I'm kind of feeling a different vibe from.
A bit more relaxed, a bit
Yeah,
more...
a bit more like this. You can sort of imagine the crowd being up on their, you know, rocking around a little bit and just getting involved. And
I see what you mean, yeah.
yeah, you sort of get it?
Yeah.
Because I don't think I explained it particularly well at all.
I got you.
You got me, yeah. Well, that's, you know, that's handy, that. Yeah, that's all, really. The differences. Oh, the camera angles really make this, don't they?
Yeah.
Oh, very nice.
Ooh, I like that.
Picking you up, are we?
Sorry. A little bit. Look at those crisp lines.
Hey, fellas,
good.
now's the time to snuggle up with your shorty as the band slows things down with Pretty Brown Eyes by Mid-Condition, arranged and conducted by Associate Director of Bands and Chief Arranger, Mr. Kevin Johnson. Let's welcome the
So these have dances as well.
Here are the prancing Jason as they dance to my type of course.
Chile, aren't they? Or
Possibly. I think they are part of. I think they are.
Sorry now. That's a party, look at it.
Yeah. You see what I mean? I think it's a completely different vibe
Yeah,
though,
yeah.
compared to the other ones we've
Jason's
seen.
at your best, and that's simply the best there is.
Nice.
Now we feature our mascot.
Even the motion, you know, as they're playing and stuff.
A bit more fluid.
Yeah.
Oh,
we got the young
oh,
ones?
that's, yes.
And the mascot.
Oh, they all got tails.
Oh yeah, they do.
That's cute, I like that.
Hey, TSU, knock if you pump.
Oh, it's definitely a party. Look at that. I want to be there.
Seems more fun, doesn't it?
Yes.
Hey, JSU fans, it appears that a TSU Arista
That's cool.
band member is attempting the Great Challenge. Will he make it? Of course not. All right, Memphis, you know what time it is.
Boom. Come for boom.
Now let's welcome your very own Doo-Doo
I didn't understand. I didn't hear.
I can't hear him. I can't hear him either.
He's got his t-shirt.
The band is way too loud. I can't hear a word.
I hear nothing.
Mr. Kevin Johnson is the Associate Director of Bands and Chief Arranger. Mr. Brendan Jenkins is the Assistant Band Director. Mr. Ramon Jackson is the Assistant Band Director. Mr. Calvin Berry is a...
That's cool, wasn't it? Sonic
Yes.
Boom of the South. Okay, so that's, I guess, that's why they did the boom at the end. Because their nickname is Sonic
Makes
Boom.
sense.
I assume so. That was cool.
Yeah,
It
really
was-
cool.
It was very different to the Aggie band that we've seen.
Yes,
so,
very different. More chilled atmosphere, party-like sort of.
Yeah, a bit more like,
environment.
I guess,
A bit more like let's go with the flow,
a bit more
get into the rhythm.
relaxed but not relaxed. Kind of.
Obviously, they were working hard.
Yes.
And they were also dancing, like proper dancing at some point, as well as playing.
I think it's just the vibe is completely different.
Yeah.
Isn't it? So you've got like the Aggie band, which is very regimented, very classical.
Very
From what we've
impressive
seen
in
their formations and
yes,
everything
in one way.
they're like, it's hard to compare them directly because they're very
Yeah,
different
there's
and they're
no-
two different styles. But
Yeah.
I quite like these guys, and I don't know if this is just generally
How
across the
they
board
do
on
things.
HBCU colleges and stuff.
Thing.
It could just be a Jackson thing, but
Yeah. Yeah, it's cool.
it makes you want to get involved, doesn't
Yeah, it
it?
makes you wanna dance, makes
it's
you
cool.
wanna-
I like that.
Yeah, good vibe.
How about you guys? In your states, is there any other good HBCU marching bands that you'd recommend? Let us know in the comments, because this one was really cool and it's our first look. So maybe there's better bands.
Maybe what we need to do is just take every state and look at
That's a
their
lot of
most-
states.
Well, I know, but we can make a whole series. Look at their entire, like, the best two or whoever, the big rivalry in there.
We're gonna be here for years. It's like there's 50 states and there's got to be at
Well, I
least
don't know if
2 or
every
3.
state has a big.
What, marching band? I suspect
Yeah.
they do.
I'm not sure, like Alaska, for example.
All right. Well,
Are they
you
big into-
picked the odd one that
Well,
probably doesn't.
exactly.
Okay,
That's the point, isn't it? Maybe there's more.
Okay, yeah, I see where you're coming from. If we're looking like, at
Yeah.
places where it's unlikely to have a marching
Well,
band,
we might be wrong, obviously, but
they all
that's
come out
the
and they're like
first one that
Arctic
came
gear,
to
don't
mind.
they?
Yeah, the mascot
okay.
might be a moose. I don't know.
A moose. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. All come out in furs and banging their drums and God knows what
Yeah.
else.
Who knows?
Okay, well, you went there, I guess. Yeah, well, if you like this, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us. And as I said just about a minute ago, I guess, drop in the comments. Let us know if there are any other good bands worth watching. Time to showcase your state, I guess.
Yeah.
But other than that, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.